Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get the private key right here on Axiom Pro. So first of all, you need to create yourself an account on Axiom Pro, and if you don't have an account yet, make sure that you create that account with the link in the description where you can use that link for my account where I can save you on 10% your fees all the time on Axiom Pro. So please click on that link if you want to create yourselves an account. But right now I will show you how to get the private key. Because from here what we're going to do is we go right in the top to our account and select your account and security. Then right here we go to wallets, so manage wallets. And then you see right here 2 wallets. This is our main wallet and this is the second wallet that we created. And if you want to have the private key of one of these wallets, you hold your mouse on one wallet, click right here on export private keys, then fill in right here your password, then click on verify, and then he will export your private key. So this is the place where you can get the private key from Axiom Pro, and hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.